Hello and welcome to the world of NDE 4.0. My name is Johannes Vrana and today is a great day. Because today I'm finally able to introduce to you the speakers of the second day of the first international conference on NDE 4.0. Now, I already did a video with the speakers of the first day. And in that video, I also put in some general notes on the conference. So if you're looking for those speakers or for the general notes, just click on the link, which I will put right here. Now, if we think about the conference is 4 days, and we have 4 different sessions, one each day. On the first day, we have the general NDE 4.0 topics. On the second day, we're getting into the technical basics for NDE 4.0. On the third day, we will be discussing NDE 4.0 applications in all those different industries. And on the fourth day, we're finally getting into the NDE activities in all our societies we have around the globe. But now let's get started with the presentations of the second day, the presentation on the technical basics for NDE 4.0. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I was actually able to visit together with the DGZfP, which is the German Society of Nondestructive Testing, subcommittee on interfaces for NDE 4.0 to visit IBM. And actually, IBM has a really good Industry 4.0 center in Munich. And it was great to see all of their applications they have in their labs and to interact with the colleagues from IBM. But there was one presentation in particular which was really great, and that was the presentation from Ralf Buksch. Ralf Buksch, he is technical executive for AI applications for IBM in Europe. And he gave this fascinating presentation on digitalization, digital transformation, IIoT, AI, and all the other ongoing activities in IBM in regards to to Industry 4.0, I have to say. And what was kind of surprising for us that actually IBM is also doing kind of some NDE. They are getting into optical inspections. And they have more to come in that regard. Now, I was able to win actually Ralf as one of the keynote speakers for this conference. And I hope you will all enjoy his keynote on digitalization for industries, era of augmented intelligence. Now, the next presentation, that's the one from myself. Now, I will go perhaps a little bit deeper into the technical details. I will try to paint what I think is the core, the technical core of those 4 revolutions, whether it's Industry 4.0 or NDE 4.0. And I will get quite deeply into what is the cyber-physical loop, what kind of cyber-physical loops do we have, what is the IIoT, what's the role of the IIoT, what's the digital twin, and how is AI connected to all of this. So I'm trying to paint kind of an overall scenario so that you get a good idea, okay, what from a technical side, if we look from a big picture view, what is NDE 4.0 about and what is Industry 4.0? Next presentation will be by Makoto Ochiai, who is Vice President of the Japan Society of Nondestructive Evaluation, and at the same time working for Toshiba. And Toshiba is a plant manufacturer of energy and social infrastructure systems, and they provide inspection services for manufacturing and maintenance. Also, they have been developing and applying a lot of special inspection systems in-house. So, and one of the tasks was developing for their internal purposes an NDE 4.0 platform, or they are beginning with the implementation for that within Toshiba. And here's giving us some details on what's going on currently in Toshiba. I think that's a really interesting topic. Next speaker will be Ahmad Osman. He's actually the second speaker from Fraunhofer IZFP we will have. First one is clearly Bernd Waleski. Now, Ahmad Osman, he is a professor, and his main focus is really on AI. And this is exactly what he is giving us here. He is doing a deep dive into one of the hottest topics we have in the ecosystem, NDE 4.0, and that is AI. Our next speaker, I guess most of you will already know him. Krishnan Balasubramaniam. He's a professor, or actually he is the chair professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, and he is the head of the Center of Nondestructive Evaluation, CNDE, at IIT Madras. And yeah, what he will be presenting to us is really computed assistance automation for NDE decision making. How can we get decision making to the next level? And that for sure will involve some application of AI. So you already see this is about already the third presentation which gets quite deeply into AI on that day. And last, but definitely not least, Serge Dos Santos. Now, unfortunately, I do not know how exactly to pronounce his name. I'm really sorry. My French is not anywhere. I don't speak any French. But I like Serge a lot, and he is giving fascinating presentations. He is a professor at the INSA in France, and he's the project manager for their Industry 4.0 project. And he is presenting us a great new data source of growing importance, nonlinear ultrasonic imaging. So I guess you will see why I'm so happy to present to you all of those 6 speakers of that second day. And the 6 of us, we will actually sit together as a panel and answer to all your questions on that on the 15th of April. Now, in between our 6 presentations, we actually have 3 commercial presentations. Pretty short, just 5 minutes, but showing a little bit on what commercial or what companies out of the NDE industry are already offering. And on that second day, it will be presentations from TrueFlaw, it will be one from Volume Graphic, and will be one from Dymate. TrueFlaw, they will be presenting machine learning, a key tool for NDE 4.0. Volume Graphics will get into hexagon manufacturing intelligence for smarter manufacturing. And finally, Dymate, they will talk about how will an NDT PACS link inspection and process data with artificial intelligence. Moreover, thanks a lot to all the other sponsors we have, like Verasonics, Axelon, Mythos, and Olympus. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them at any time. Put them down here in the comment box, put them on LinkedIn, put them anywhere, or just call me. Next day, we will get into day 3, which is NDE 4.0 applications in all the different industries. And I can already tell you, we have 6 fascinating speakers on that day. As usual, you will find more information in the description. I hope you liked this video. I hope you subscribe to this channel. I hope I will see you soon. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Thank you and bye.